What's up, everyone? My name is Bravo Kinetic Aviation, and this is my first ever video. I'm gonna try to keep it nice and short, so it won't be too long. A little bit about me. I'm an aviation enthusiast. I really like airplanes and I like playing simulators online. Today we're gonna be doing a short project flight simulator, a little flight with my favorite aircraft, the Boeing 777-300ER. And a little bit about me, I like aviation. I think I already said that actually. But another thing is, my goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. And by the time I reach 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a face reveal. I know, you guys can't wait. I know you guys can't wait. Alright, let's go. Let's start this game. Let's start going into Punta Cana, where we're gonna start off. We're gonna be going to London Heathrow Airport, and this mighty Boeing 777-300ER. What livery should I do? I mean, it's the first video, so I think we should just go blank. And let's see if you guys have any recommendations for the upcoming videos. Punta Cana, and let's go at gate B123. Alright guys, this is the Boeing 777-300ER. This is my favorite aircraft. One day I hope to be flying in it. Yep. Here it is. And its glory. Alright, let's go. Let's begin with the walk around. Basic procedure. Let's begin from the front. It's looking good over here. The front tire is also looking good. Landing lights, they're looking good as well. Taxi lights are also looking good. Checking engines. Okay. Second engine. Okay, we will. Nice. Alright, check the back. Horizontal stabilizer, vertical stabilizer. APU. Alright, that's it. I'm just gonna go fly it now. Alright, my lights on, navigation lights on, logo lights on, beacon lights on. Left engine, let's start it up and get ready for pushback. Alright, let's start pushing back as we also start our engine number 2 over here. To the right over here. Pushback completed. Alright, both engines had a successful startup. We'll put our flaps down halfway. Turn our taxi lights on and strobe lights, and we are ready to taxi to runway 9er. What in the... why is there... what? Oh my gosh. Our engines. Let's turn to the left over here. I love those engine sounds, by the way. But I would appreciate it very much if you guys would like and subscribe to my channel. This is my first ever video. I hope to doing more content like this, hopefully with Microsoft Flight Simulator that has much better physics and everything else is much better over there. And one day, maybe, Maybe we had 100,000 subscribers, and we do a face reveal, and maybe we do some IRL stream or some live streams with others. And if you guys didn't already see the title, I'm gonna be saving up for Microsoft Flight Simulator and a yoke and everything else that comes with it. Not with Microsoft Flight Simulator, but hopefully do some crazy videos like this, guys. Now enjoy this beautiful scenery. I can't see the runway now. There it is. Okay, guess I'm giving some guidance. I just hope that I won't stall. Flaps full. Spoilers on. I can't see the runway. Alright guys, here you go. Butter! Oh, reverse thrust. Let's go, I got a butter. Oh my gosh. Hey, butter. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully with a much better landing, but this is a great one. Great for a first video. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.